Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. It is late Friday as I am recording this. The courts in Ada County are getting ready to close for the day and for the weekend. So unless there's any new items dropping onto the public docket in the next several minutes, there will not be any such activity until the earliest when court reopens on Monday. Now, one question that many in the public have been asking is there possibly going to be another Kohberger restitution hearing? If you look at the case summary page from November 5th of 2025, you will see there that the very last hearing that has ever been held in the case happened on November 5th, 2025. Restitution hearing. This was on the state of Idaho's motion for additional restitution. But then, fast forward to this past week when the case summary page was updated as it was a couple of days ago. And at that time, because the case summary page had not been updated in several weeks, the public was not aware that there has apparently been some significant motion practice going on behind the scenes having to do with restitution. Go to our sister YouTube channel on the community page, and you will see where we've listed there for your review 2 pages from case summary, the one showing the Hippler hearing on restitution matters from November 5th, 2025, and now what's happened behind the scenes. Case summary page tells us that on March 19th, 2026, there was a motion that was filed. It was state's motion to amend the order of restitution, and then followed by 1 day later, March 20th, 2026, an amended state motion to amend the order of restitution. So what's happened here is that they filed the original motion to amend, to fix, to change it in some way. And then there was, a day later, this amended motion to amend the earlier order of restitution. Again, that's dated March 20th, 2026. Third item of the 4, April 2nd, 2026, state's request for decision without a hearing. It looks like this April 2nd, 2025 request from the state could be associated with this amended motion to amend the order of restitution. And then finally, April 3rd, 2026, defense's response to state's motion to amend restitution. So at this time, because these documents still are not on the court docket, and look at the date, one is dated March 19th, 2026. Come Monday, it will be the better part of a month since that document was filed. And these all 4 are public records because they have the little PDF icon next to them on case summary, as opposed to the little lock and key icon that so many other documents had in the Idaho versus Kohberger case. In any event, looking at the docket today, these 4 items still have not been released. So there has to be a little bit of speculation, commentary, opinion as to whether this April 2nd document is the state asking for a decision without a hearing. We would have expected to see if this has to do with this matter of restitution and amending the order of restitution that's been entered against Mr. Kohberger, that there would have been a stipulation from the state, maybe within this request. If it is for, again, we have to guess because it's not on the docket, maybe within it, the defense agreed for a resolution on this motion without a hearing. We don't know. But the bottom line is, been some significant motion practice on this issue of perhaps increasing the amount of restitution that Mr. Kohberger was ordered to pay following the November 5th hearing. So now there's also questions as to, is there going to be another hearing in the Kohberger case on this matter to amend the amended order of restitution? We don't know at this time. We will continue to monitor the docket for further developments on this matter. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.